Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing a review on this wig. It is so pretty. Like, what do y'all think? How do I look? Are you feeling it? Anyways, this is the Motown Tress Let's Lace wig. This is L Splash, so I'm just gonna assume that that is the name of it. I threw the box away because I don't like keeping the box. It irks me, it takes up space. So yeah, I don't like keeping the box, so I don't know what the box says. But I have the card, okay? Yes, so it's in the color red wine. And it's 2-inch deep lace. Let's see. So yeah. I decided to do like a little flip over thing with mine because I love flip overs. Like, if I can't do a flip over with a wig, I don't want it. I dead don't want it. Like, if I cannot do a flip over, I will not purchase the wig at all. I actually got this from a beauty supply store, so no, I did not order it. But I will definitely look to see where you can order this, and I'll link it down below. But yes, it is just so curly, so big, so fall. Like, this is a fall look. Yes, looks good on darker skin tones. Chocolate. Yes, and it's super long, super big. Like, it's right above my butt. And it's curly, so if it was straightened, it would be extremely long. But yeah, this is so pretty. I actually had to like cut a few strands out because they were knotty. Once I took it out the box, some of the strands were knotted, and I don't know why, but whatever, it's not a big deal. I literally just took it out of the box yesterday, so this is like my first time wearing it. Well, I wore it yesterday for like a minute, but I didn't do anything to it. Like, I didn't customize it like how I did today. It came with like these little strands. I assumed it was baby hairs. They weren't long, like they're really short, and yeah, I feel like it was just enough hair to do like these little baby hairs. Like, I barely had to cut any. Only on the side I cut some, and like I trimmed some of the curls right here so I could put it behind my ear and it not look like a long strand. So yeah. I do the same thing on this side because sometimes I like to flip over. So yeah. But I think this time I'm gonna wear it. Like, I like it on this side. It looks pretty. It's so big and fluffy. Oh, the lace was like hard. It was like hard lace. It wasn't soft. I put a little bit of powder here, but I really didn't do much to this at all. Like, at all. I used the to apply my wig, I use the Pump It Up Gold Spritz, and for the baby hairs I used Gorilla Snot. I didn't feel like gluing it on or gelling it on because I just don't feel like it. Like, the hairspray definitely hold it down. and the Gorilla Knot, of course, is holding down these baby hairs, so it will stay on your head for a while. But like if you wanted to take it off, it's an easy take off application. Just alcohol. Boop. So yeah, this is it. Like, this is her, this is she, this is I, okay? Are you digging it? Yeah, you feel me? Yes. Let me move this chair. It's rainy outside, so it's like super dark, and I don't have like a light. Only this yellow light, and I'm not about to use it. Flap. Oh, honey. Honey. Okay, back to this side. But yes. Shake test approved. It's soft, it's curly, it's bouncy. Like, it does what curly hair is supposed to do, bounce and be curly. Don't play in it too much because I feel like it'll get knotty. Like, it's curly hair. Yes, if you want to see more or if you want to see more application videos, I have 2 wig application videos on my channel. You can watch those to see how I apply my wig. I don't think I've done one using the Pump It Up. I've only done one using the Got To Be Glued gel and the Got To Be Glued hairspray. Or did I use the hairspray? I think so. So, yes. And if you want to see this makeup tutorial, check it out on my page. It will be linked down below. I love it. I just love this whole look. Like, burgundy hair is definitely my go-to. Like, this color on me, like burgundy, just like shades of red, like I just really love on my skin tone. So if you're looking for a nice fall color, definitely check out this wig, especially if you want some big bouncy curls. If you like big hair, like, yeah, this is definitely for big hair lovers. Is this big head friendly? I'm really not sure. I have a little head. I always tighten the straps like all the way. So like, comment, subscribe for more hair and makeup tutorials. I'm gonna try to do other videos too, so yeah, just subscribe. Amber, J-A, 2 eyes. Bye.